Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding which number is the dividend and which is the divisor. That frame keeps calculations clear. Enter the dividend first, then the division operator, then the divisor. Once done, check whether your calculator shows a floating result or an integer quotient. Many basic calculators return decimals. If your calculator has a modulo or programming mode, switch now to use that dedicated function. Otherwise, prepare to capture the integer quotient for the next step. You now perform the division and watch the result closely. This decimal contains the integer quotient you need. Once done, extract the integer part. Use floor or truncate functions, or switch to integer divide if your calculator supports it, because the remainder depends only on that whole number. After you have the integer quotient, multiply it by the divisor. This multiplies back toward the original value and sets you up to isolate the remainder in the final subtraction step. You finish by subtracting the product you just computed from the original dividend. That difference is the modulo result, the remainder. Make sure to use the exact dividend you started with and the integer quotient without rounding errors. Small decimal or rounding mistakes produce wrong remainders. If the result seems off, recheck the integer quotient and multiplication steps, or validate using a calculator's modulo function or a simple programming calculator to confirm reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.